Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be detailing this 2003 Toyota Tacoma. It's pretty small. I'm going to mostly be giving it a wash on the outside and detailing the interior. Should be a quick detail, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Just as few as I possibly can.
We don't know where it came from. We can't imagine where it goes.
Unbelievable. I think we found it. You think the unthinkable.
Now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below.
I never considered anything else. Perhaps only the dead, child. Listen to it several times.
Make you feel good. Keep down. Make you feel good. Keep down.
right, so the detail on this 2003 Toyota Tacoma is completed. The interior looks way better than it did. The floor mats are 3 shades brighter than they were. Headlights are polished up. All around, it looks 10 times better than it did. I'm really happy with it. It's a pretty simple and easy detail, but all around, I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Stay tuned for the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.